Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best MSI Afterburner settings for gaming. So basically, first things first, let's talk about the power limit of our fan. Basically, you want to set this at 100%. This will prevent overheating issues when we do longer gaming sessions. Now for the temp limit, you want to set this to 83 or 88. You could just basically select between those numbers. And for core clock, which is going to be this one, you simply want to set this around 100 or 200 megahertz. Now, you want to go ahead and test the stability of these values, but generally, you want to go ahead and use between 100 and 200. For memory clock, you want to use 500 to 1000 right here. Once again, you could just test what value provides you with better results. Now for the fan curve, if you're basically willing to set that, you could also set automatic right here if you want to, but setting up your fan curve is going to be inside setting. Click fan, enable user-defined software automatic. And basically what this means is that if your graphics card reaches basically around this area, you will be able to set it manually. So the first thing that I recommend when it reaches 40, this is where you want to set it to 30%. And when it reaches 60, which is going to be this one, you want to set this at 50%. And for 70%, you want to set this to 70 Celsius. And lastly, for 80 Celsius, you want to set this to 85 to 100%. In my case, I'm just going to be setting this into something like 95. Now, there's a whole new topic when it comes to overclocking or undervolting your graphics card. But generally, this is the best settings for gaming for your MSI Afterburner. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.